Hi everybody, I hope you are all doing well. Now I will present how to install this 6D second generation hair extensions machine. The presentation is with the buckle without hair, but you should do exactly like that with the buckle with the hair. Let's go. Firstly, we need to understand the main part of this machine, the buckle, which is composed of the C-type buckle and needle plate. This is the front side with logo, the other one is back side without logo. When we install this buckle, the logo side shall be behind, that means the 5 slots must be front or up. Next step is to open the machine and move the button. The button is the core part of this machine to control the import system. When you push the button, the import system is open. When you release the button, the import system is closed automatically. When we install this buckle, the logo side shall be behind, then put this buckle into the import system. Once more, when push the button, the buckle could be removed. After the buckle is placed well, the C-type buckle shall be parallel with the iron bar, it can't be too high or too low, just place inside the slot. After installing, we can see there is no logo this side, it is behind. From now on, we don't touch the button anymore. Now we start to remove this buckle, don't remove it one time, but remove it 2 times. Firstly, remove it from left side, then remove it from right side. We do that 2 times to prevent breaking it, it's kind of fragile, so we must be careful. After removing the buckle, we can see the logo side is behind, now we turn the buckle. And we can see the logo side is up. Now we put the buckle up the machine, left side first, then right side. Now the logo side is facing to us. The needle points are down. Now the installation is finished, we can start the hair extensions. Sublimate Hair thanks you for watching.